Hello everyone, today we will do splits and how to stretch your middle split and warm up your legs for splits. So stay with me and we'll get started. I will take my microphone and and we'll get started. So we'll start working with two legs. Take it, push and two legs. 2, 3, 4, 5, fix. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try take your hands. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax, touching, pushing your legs, touching to down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take your legs and fix like that. So go to work, take the legs together and stretching down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you like it, subscribe, and take your likes and subscribe. So bye bye.